I guess we are live. So, so last weekend we were building something like we started with an idea and then we came to this idea like medicine reminder. I have created few components around it. We have set up Google login and all, and also we have set up a way to create Google events. So let me just see is my live working fine or not. Yeah, so everything is fine. I guess we are good to go. So I have thought of like creating the landing page and all for this, and then we will move on to the main part, which is like medicine crud operations, and then scheduling of those medicine and then testing that thing out. So currently I'm using Claude to create the landing page. Here I have a normal route. In it I have created a hero section currently. So this is how is it looking. Let me know your thoughts. So let's keep going. I have Cloud open with me. So this is a hero component. So let's do one thing. Let us organize things first. So in the components, let's create a folder for landing, and then let's create a hero.svelte. Just I will just cut the code and we'll paste it here, and then we'll just call the hero section here. Wait. So the tech stack we are using is SvelteKit along with Tailwind and all for styling, and for icon also we have a setup. So let me just zoom in out. Let me just zoom in. Now let's let's get the features. Or what can we what Okay, let's leave everything to Claude to figure everything out. We will just pass the hero section as the coding context. So let's first content developer and designer with in UI UX. Let me just zoom this also in. UI UX. I have a task for you. Uh, I have created a product which just have one feature, that is to schedule the medicine reminder. Now I have the functionality with me. I want you to help 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 me in creation of landing page. Oh my god, help in creation of landing page. I have the hero section with me already created. Let me first know which all sections I should keep the landing page so that it conveys the idea, and this is not a paid product for now. I lean towards dark theme, so choose colors wisely. Let's give some guidelines also. Use tailwind, uh, use transition and animations, Build native library. Use tailwind CSS. Do not add styles. Do not add styles either inline or in style tag. Use TypeScript and create types wherever required. Then what we can give is keep it simple. Let's give the coding context. Hero.svelte. Let's pass in the svelte attached as a file. To schedule the medicine reminders, which have these features. Add medicine schedule to set up reminders. Currently I am using Google Calendar events for sending reminders. That's it. Let's remove all this. Let's remove this. Sorry, let's see what it gives. Hero section, key feature section, how it works section, benefits, integration, social proof, FAQ, call to action. Okay, give me separate components for features section, how it works. And footer, that's it, we don't need anything else. Follow proper guidelines shared with you. Follow proper guidelines that was shared with you. This is my current tailwind and .css configs. Let me pass my tailwind file also, .css also. Let's see what it gives. Meanwhile, let's create component, how it works. Svelte. Then let's say footer.svelte. So let's see what it gives. Feature section, quite simple. Let's add everything up. Hero features. Then what we have, how it works. Then what we have, footer. That's it. Features, icon is not imported like this. Everything is sorted. We have how it works section, how it work also. Let's paste everything. We need to tell AI that, we need to tell Claude that icon is not imported like it is the default export. then the feature. Put a same issue. Now let's see how is it coming. Oh, not liking. I'm not liking it at all. Art scheduling, calendar integration, these all are fine. How it works? Add medication, set reminders, get notification. These sections are all fine. Sections are all fine. This is fine. Okay, the only issue which I'm seeing is the colors and all are not matching with the. That's because I guess we have taken the freedom by passing the tailwind and all. Let's uh the forget the tailwind and app.css I shared. Use the colors that are used in heroes section, or you are free to use yours. Let's see what it gives now. Now you see it give icon fine. I don't know how, but it just fine. Let's go to features. Let's remove everything. Let's go to how it works. Let's remove. Okay, great. It have improved the footer section as well. Let's see how things are now. Okay, much better. But these separators and all, I'm not liking it. Okay, no need of using any sort of borders and all. Also, the background color can be made more dark or lighter as we move to different sections. Let's see now what it gives. Visual hierarchy and depth, that's what I need. Let's just see the features section. You know what, I guess, oh, again it again messed things up. Let's see how it is coming. Okay, it is not looking that bad. Footer I am not liking. Okay, you know what, let's do this. Let's use the colors are not going well. Do one thing, just give the features section. Okay, we are out of limit. Now what I will do is I will play around it with this. uh let's see. So what we can do is we can just remove this border also. Meanwhile, from hero section, let's see if it is real border or what it is. It's definitely not a border. Let's see. This doesn't seem to have any border. Okay, let me zoom it for you. Not this much, but this is fine. Okay, I guess I find this. Yeah, so was suspecting this. Let's remove this. We do not need it anymore. It gives us the features section. Let's see how is it coming. Much better. What can be improved? So let's do one thing. Let's remove the let's just remove the gradient from hero as well. This is the gradient part, I guess. Yes. Okay, I have removed the gradient. You know what, I will just add a div around all this, and let me add gradient to the complete site. Features also, I need to remove the gradient part. So you see now it is looking much better, but it again lacks the separator and all. But feature boxes I'm not liking. Feature can be improved. Add some animation of glowing when I take my mouse in, and also give me complete responsive component for features, and do not add any background this time, as I have added background to the parent component, and every component have same bg now. So let's see, we will just give it one or two more tries and then we will start creating it ourselves, or just update a little bit. Let's see how. Oh my god, what the heck. Add some animation of glowing. Circle, where circle with minimal effect, not much visible. Let's see. Sometimes it just overdo the things that are not required at all. Okay, now not getting the vibe actually. Actually pasted the first version of it. This was the first version. I'm actually liking this much more. What we can do is we can just use these also. How it works, section is looking nice, I would say. Let's see. Let's first of all remove the background, or maybe we could keep this background. So what we can do is we can use this styling for our features also. So let's see what can be done. You know what, I will just copy the complete div. We need title, description and icon, right? Title, description and icon, feature, index, feature, title, description and icon. Okay, can actually use the same component. uh I don't know, but I'm leaning towards adding this actually, like the separator. You know what, let's go to ChatGPT now. This is the hero section. This is my hero section for my product name medicine reminder. Study this and give me a component for features section. These are the features. So let's give the features. So now let's see what it comes out with. I do not have much expectation from it, but let's see. Or else what I will do is I will just create this, because as it is taking much time and also it is not much interesting. Let's see first of all what it gives. Okay, it have made it. Actually, I'm liking it. I don't know why, but I am liking it. These are the how it works. Let's see what it gives. These, and also it have gives some styling also. Let's see. Why is it not escaped? Log off. Nothing, no effect. This give me a how it is give me a section for it works also. Let's see what it gives, then we can just improve the sorry. I guess we are still live. Yes, we are. Okay, we got one view. I don't know from where, but it's good. It's good. Let's see. Okay. Actually, no. Previous one was better. Features also. God was much better. So you know what? Let's not focus on it. As also this is not the priority and not interesting thing to do basically. Let me just via the buttons creating on learn more, it will just go to the features, learn more is a button. What I will do is I will make it anchor tag with href to hashtag, oh my god, features, and also we can do this thought body scroll behavior smooth. But we have added a scroll behavior smooth on the board. Okay, you know what, this needs to be actually added on the complete document. Now it's fine. On clicking on get started, I will just redirect to the login page, or we can just open up a model for it. I guess that would be much better. We have a model component already. This is our model component. So let's where were we? I just lost in the files. There are the page, this is page itself, this is hero. So like on clicking get started, I can directly log in with Google, or I can just open up the model on click open login model. Okay, I should have added ES6 and arrow function as guidelines. I forgot to do that. So let's update. So now let's see open login model. I need a state for it. Not state, like let is model open. Let's improve the naming. It's we are saying login, right? It's login model open. Then what we will do is we will add a model component and add our login component in it. Open, let's just, and then we can just bind it out so that we have the update in our hero section component as well. On click on this method is login model open becomes true, and let's see. So this is our model. What we can do is we can just go to the login, remove the minute screen from it. Okay, there is some lag in the animation. Let's remove the animation itself. I guess login component, yeah, login component have a slide in it. Still it is. Okay, we have slide here as well. Yeah, you see now it is looking much better. We can remove this securely manage your no value. Then we can just click on sign in with Google and get the sign in working. So it asks us to sign up, like sign in. So let's just sign in. Okay, so this was, I was creating a component for adding the medicines and all. So let's focus on this now. Let's remove all these components and go to the medicines page. Here I have a form for adding medicines. There are few like basically forms and all. I have used felt library and felt validator Zod. This is my Zod schema. Validate is giving a type error which we will fix later. Then on error we are showing a error in toast. I don't think so we need this. Let's get this thing removed. Validate में validator is called, schema is passed, and why do we need this? Then I guess validate is a function, validate is a method. This will be written. Validator is nothing but is coming from felt Zod. What we break. How much should be required? Na? What it is saying. No, this is on submit. Expression expected. This is the object having validate as key, which gives validate function. On submit is there. What's the issue here? I have done everything right, I guess. Create form, this exception object. In the object, this is the method. Then on submit is a method. Because it is a method, we need a expression expected. expression expected, but it is returning validation function. I guess everything is fine. Not everything is fine. Let's do this log. This is the log. If I just hit this, I do not get any error. Okay, because I have removed the, this is returning extender object. Wait, schema is this? How is the value going in? Takes a schema and a level. Do it take value by itself? So now you see, if I'm clicking on it, it is, you know what? Let's log out the errors. Log. Why is that? Why is it refreshing? Let's try to restart the server. Is there any infinite loop? No. Uh, so name is an error, which is extender, which is not fine actually. Okay, let's see. Let's see what else do we have. Let's go to official documentation. Let's go to official documentation. Okay, validator, which is a schema, or extend validator schema. So and then it is in extend, not in validate. It is in extend. So now I'm hoping it to give some good result. I guess my internet is down. Okay, we are back. We are logged in. Let's hit add. Then okay, now we see the name, dosage and all. So now what we need is we need to show the errors. है ना? So we are using get error message, or we can just use the reporter. Na? Reporter. DOM, using a svelte component also. Let's install the svelte reporter. So basically felt is a library which is used for form validations, which extend the Zod, Yup, superstruct and West for creating schemas and all. So the validation message, is the component which we can use. So let's use this. For is name, don't know why, but my internet is not working fine. I guess I need to end the stream to make it work. Oh, what? Not SSR component, because we need to refresh the server. We have an error in name, but we are not able to view the message. Let's console log. I guess we are having something here. Okay, it is undefined. Name is having an error, but am I missing anything? Everything seems to be fine, but I'm not able to understand what is the issue. So there is errors present, but we are not seeing it here. Let's see how does it work actually. It extends the reporter. Okay, we need to add extend reporter also, na? Oh my god, I'm not. Can we extend two things? can't have multiple properties with same name. Then how we can extend with two things? What does extend actually have? Extender of data. So now we are in a situation where we are needing to extend two things. Let's see extend option create format at the felt form extenders. Let's see is it possible or not. My network is not. I guess I need to end the stream here. An extend is a simple function that gets called when create form is called, when the form action is called, and whenever the form changes. You might have noted both reporters and validator make use of the extend property in the configuration from create form. This is because both of these make use of felts extendable. We will call any package that extend felt as extender from now. An extender is a simple function that gets called when form refers control state data is validating. If you are subscribing, ensure adding any additional listeners, submit errors, felt repo. If you check the validator package, you will notice that you can change the signature and configuration object for create form in order to be used by your extender. So basically this accepts a function is inside a function. We can, I guess we can do this, then just return this. No, I add commas and all. Okay, now the extender, this is also not working. reporter and validator. My network is not. We can pass an array now. We can pass an array. No, I forgot to copy this thing. So now what can be done is we can just use reporter. Nothing changes. My network is like I'm on 2070 kbps, man. What the heck? So now you see the error is visible. It's just that we need to change the style of it, which can easily be done where we have used level and 4. Level is error, basically. Level is error, not a warning. And then we can just style the span. Okay, let's see. Let's see. No, it does not. Let's specify class text. What do we have in our tailwind? Text warning and then text error. Medicine name must be at least 2 characters. So now the same way we can just remove this and then add for dosage dot amount. Dosage must be positive. Now we have for dosage dot unit. Then we can just add for schedules and all. It was the name schedule dot weekdays. Weekdays should be here. Okay. Then let's do one thing. Month, day, and then remove all this. Copy. Time slots. Then additional lots and all we do not need. Let's refresh once. So it is not required. My network is running too low. I guess I need to end the stream.